Hello and welcome back to Neethu's Nest. Milkshakes are something which all the kids and grown-ups love to have. But today we'll see how to make a refreshing and delicious drink without any blending. So let's go ahead and see how to make this. First, to a saucepan, add half liter of milk and boil this and simmer it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now to this add half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and give this a good mix. Now to this you can add 2 teaspoons of powdered almonds and stir it well. Now in a small bowl add 1 teaspoon of custard powder and 2 tablespoons of milk and mix this well. It should be runny without any lumps. Now add this to the boiled milk. Mix this nicely, and if you want you can add a drop of yellow color, which is optional. Make sure you stir this nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now switch off the flame and allow this to cool down completely. If you want you can keep it in the freezer to cool it quickly. Now you can see that the custard milk mixture has cooled down completely. To this you can add the ice cubes, now add some soaked sabja seeds, and a few sliced almonds, and give it a nice mix. Now you can pour them into the serving glasses and serve it chilled. For this recipe I have used here vanilla custard powder. Also, if you don't have vanilla essence, you can substitute it with cardamom powder. So please do try this super easy and delicious drink. If you liked the recipe, do hit a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from me.